The fate of a former Clear Creek County deputy tonight is in the hands of a jury for a second time. Andrew Buin shot and killed Christian Glass in 2022 while Glass was experiencing a mental health crisis. Well, last spring, a jury could not reach an agreement on 2 of the 3 charges against Buin. That resulted in a mistrial. And Denver 7's Colette Bordelon was in court today as deliberations began again.
Hello, 911.
I'm in a vehicle. My vehicle got stuck in a really bad way.
A 911 call in Silver Plume from June of 2022.
I have a weapon on me. I will throw them out the window as soon as an officer gets here.
A call for help from an amateur geologist.
Step out of the car now!
That ended with Christian Glass being shot 5 times by former Clear Creek County Sheriff's Deputy Andrew Buin.
What this case is about is a scared 22-year-old boy in a car who gets stuck in a small town in Clear Creek County and simply doesn't want to get out of his car.
This is the end of the second trial for Buin, who's facing a second-degree murder charge, after the jury in the first trial deadlocked on that count, but found him guilty of reckless endangerment.
Andrew Buin's heart breaks every day for Christian Glass's family. He lives every moment wishing that night didn't end how it did.
His defense team argues Buin did everything he could that night.
He had other people turn their lights and sirens off so they wouldn't agitate Christian more.
They claim everything changed when Buin saw Glass stick a knife out of a back window of the car near a Georgetown marshal.
Andrew believed Mr. Glass was trying to stab Randy Williams, and Randy Williams was in imminent danger. From a very human standpoint, no amount of training can prepare them for this kind of stress, for this kind of trauma.
Prosecutors say Glass was acting in self-defense after being shot with beanbags and tased, and that he could have reasonably believed officers were about to use excessive force.
He failed Christian Glass because Christian Glass was a boy in distress.
An internal affairs investigation determined Buin did not act properly and failed to de-escalate the situation.
Don't fail Christian again.
With this case back in the hands of a jury, yet again, in Georgetown. Colette Bordelon, Denver 7.
And in 2023, the Glass family announced a settlement in a civil lawsuit. Clear Creek County, the state, and other municipalities agreed to pay the family $19 million, the largest settlement in state history. That settlement also required the county to create a new crisis response team and provide law enforcement officers with additional training by January 1st of this year. Now, aside from 3 deputies who will undergo training this summer, Denver 7 found that those requirements have now been fulfilled.